Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so we spent the better part of the regular session yesterday fighting over the green line there, the daily mid-band, trading on either side of it. These lows, everything that happened, that was all Globex. So, as we take a peek at the hourly chart, you can see the lift in Globex, and then as you hit 9 o'clock, you pretty much had, 29.5 was the high. You had one move down to 18. It was a 10-handle range, but it was a whippy range. And we closed out or near the highs. They ran it up off of the Globex Open. They've taken it back to test the 18-19 area, which is a problem here, all through here for the bears. So we're back up. We're trading 31 as I'm doing this. So look, the bigger takeaway is you're continuing to make higher highs and higher lows. And I believe that absent some pieces of sustainable news, he tried to say, that we are going to continue to grind higher. They're trying to convert the daily mid-band now. It was at 25 yesterday. It's at 22 today. So if they can make another higher high, if they can break this Globex high at 39 and start to walk things up to the upside, they can deal with 44 and then 61. Those are the two big areas up above that are going to have to be dealt with. 32.25, we had matching highs there Monday, Tuesday. That's where they closed it yesterday. And they're coming back to retest that from underneath now. 32.25 needs to get handled. That needs to be the next ladder up, the next support area after the daily midband. The whole concept of resistance becoming support is something that has always, at least in trading the E-mini, has always been something that you can watch develop and then rely upon after that area has been established. So, if you want the next stair to the upside, the toe hold for that is 32.25. And that's a lift up to 44. What do the bears need to do? Well, you could break 18.19 and hold it. That would be interesting. But when you blew it down here, Tuesday into Wednesday, on what could have been a move to weekly pivot, now that we're getting into Thursday, Friday, the side that wins that weekly pivot battle early week gets the benefit of those directional days later in the week. Well, we're getting into that now. It's been a choppy week. It's been a week where, it's kind of taken a break, at least during the regular session. And, we're in late August. And I was saying in the room yesterday, look, if the price to pay, if I have to, if the bill that we have to pay for all the fantastic volatility we've seen this summer is a couple of slow days in late August, I'll take that check right now. I got it. That is a very reasonable price to pay for what has been a very volatile summer. So those are the areas to watch today. Right off the open, it's still 25 to 27. It is still 25 to 27. Our proprietary moving average sits at 25. 5-minute mid-band sits at 26. Volume weighted average price and the hourly mid-band sit at 27.75 effectively. So that two-handle area is going to be very important into the open. All right. Take care. Have a great day. Have some more stuff out on social. Lots of people coming in, joining the room, checking it out. Come with them. I look forward to meeting all of you. It's a great place to trade. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.